what do you think, man? Now, Glenn used to be a lead singer in a heavy metal band. We are gonna be playing super fans of his, trying to convince him to be the lead singer in our metal band. Mitch Lanzini, lead guitar, Chip Foose, drummer and stand-in singer. Let's rock!
Stingray flies from the sky with engines revving high.
Hey, we're sounding pretty good. Glenn actually seems to be enjoying this, but then I may have gotten a little carried away. Ah! Yeah! Rock and roll, baby! Woo!
Let's pause right here. All Chris Jacobs had to do was keep the vet in between him and the mark. Simple, right? But today, after over 100 pranks, Chris decided to zig instead of zag.
Glenn, what do you think, man?
Oh! What's up, man?
Hold on, dude.
Glenn,
Hey,
hold on, man.
Chip
Hang
Foose,
on, hang
Chris
on.
Jacobs.
You're on overhaul.
You're on overhaul.
That's the first time I ever took a punch.
I'm okay, thank God. And I know that Glenn just lived out the dream of thousands of people out there by punching me in the face. But hey, I'm up on my feet again and everything's okay. Dude, don't apologize anymore. Hey, you did what any car guy would.
But no one tried to stop me. How weird.
I know. No one. Thanks a lot, everybody. Really appreciate that.
Nobody
really
saw
cool.
that coming?
He looked
happy. I think I thought
I saw it coming in slow motion. After the smoke had cleared and all was forgiven, it quickly became apparent that this was going to be a story of a gentle giant and his loving son. So, Glenn, what do you have to say to your boy Max about setting you up like this?
Wow. First, you owe him an apology. Because you knew that something could go down like that.
I did.
Did he tell you that they were going to hit the car with the guitar?
No, he
We did
didn't.
not.
Okay, you probably would have warned him, huh?
Yeah, I would have.
I love you, man. I love you so much.
Oh my God.
Hey, people can have Corvettes and cars, and you know how this is, both all you guys. But the people that you love, you know, they're even better than cars. And I love Max and Robin so much that, you know, car's a car. But these people are the most amazing people anybody could ever have.
Rock and roll.
The gun show right now.
Every car has a story, and this vet is starting to speak loudly.
So this entire piece of the top part right here has been glued with the glue gun on this car. This is crazy.
Corvette is the world's most popular sports car, and Chevy has built over 1.5 million of them since 1953. An interesting note, the Corvette was the first car to hit the market with a fiberglass body. Yeah! Ron's got a Fender too. We're not gonna smash this one though.
We got this really cool MagnaFlow exhaust for this thing. Looks like it's gonna work out good. But the only problem is we have to get up somewhere up in there and cut this one off. So that's proving to be a little bit of a challenge at the moment. Yeah, in this model of car, they actually put the transmission back here with the rear differential. So it's quite busy up in here. It's gonna be a little bit of a chore to get these on there, but just like always, we'll get it done.
New exhaust is going in, but the power plant is on its way out. The original motor's got almost 100,000 miles on it. Not a good idea to put a brand new Pro Charger with an engine that experienced. So out with the old, in with the new. Turns out Glenn's getting a completely new power plant. It's gonna be awesome.
Can I come down here?
Chip has begun the interior design.
Right now, I'm just playing around with a couple different concepts of color coordinating the interior of Glenn's Corvette. And not sure exactly what it's going to be right now. That's why I do this. I'll do several loose sketches. I'm just going to throw some marker down and see where it, kind of works with what the paint scheme's going to be. All right, Glenn, we've got your colors for your interior. We have a design. And it's not funny, but we're going to keep you in stitches.
This supercharger will up the power to 600 horses. Giddy up.
Glenn's Corvette Stingray has been completely blown apart, had the interior completely revamped, and gotten a completely new engine, which has just been installed. Adding a supercharger is a fairly time-consuming process, but now, finally, the moment of truth is here. Eric and Dan are checking to see if everything is in order, and it looks like all systems are go.
Hit the button. Woo! Look at that! Right on. Good job, man. Runs.
Now that this thing's running, it's time to head out and bring this thing to Mitch's, get some paint on it.
The guys are hard at work right now, wet sanding all the pieces that need to be assembled and put back onto the Corvette. Looking at Glenn's Vette right now, doesn't look like it's gonna be ready to go in less than 48 hours, but hey, Glenn, your Corvette is a huge puzzle, but we're gonna get it all fitted together just for you.
Yeah, it doesn't fit.
This puzzle is getting more and more out of hand, but Seema waits for no car.
Yeah, this one looks a lot better. It doesn't have that big white spot the other one had.
Oh man, it's a beautiful sunset, but we gotta finish this Corvette. It's dark out, we're still working, but we're getting close. Next stop, Seema.
We know how special this car is to you. I literally felt how special this car is to you. How have you been feeling since we've had your Corvette?
It's been a lot of anticipation, and we tried to talk about it very little, but here we are. It did sneak up on us very quickly.
You're now part of the Overhauling family, and you are about to see exactly what Chip envisioned as your dream car. You ready for your day to get a whole lot better?
Absolutely.
AJ, do the honors.
Absolutely. Oh my God.
How about that? It's your car, man.
Oh my God. It's gorgeous. It's the most beautiful Corvette I've ever seen in my life.
Welcome to the Overhauling family.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
Come on over here and take a look at your new LS3 with a Pro Charger. Chip, why don't you start it up for us?
Oh my.
Seeing is one thing, hearing is believing, Glenn. Yeah! Woo! You like?